Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video will show you guys where you can expect to find the air conditioner charging port on your Chevy Cruze, guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze, that will be a very helpful video for you guys. In addition, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why, guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, give a subscribe and a like in return. Now, all the electrical videos, mostly guys, servicing electrical systems, programming and all that stuff will be on this channel. However, all the mechanical videos, and we'll have more than 200 of them taking everything apart, will be on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out. So, if you guys have a Chevy Cruze, even though if it's 1.8 or 1.4, I think the procedure should be the same. Don't quote me, but I think it's the same. You will need to find, okay, your air conditioner charging ports if you need to add some free onto the system. First of all, guys, okay, let me explain a few things. Okay, here you can see that label, guys. It's going to tell what kind of oil you can put in your system, okay, and the charging capacity, which is 625 grams or 1.3 pounds. So it will be a little bit less than 2 cans. Now, if your AC doesn't work, guys, could be many things, and we have a video that explains how to diagnose the system, so make sure you check it out. First thing that you see, guys, okay, this is the high pressure port. This is not the one that you use with a simple charging device like that. Okay, this is a high pressure port. You don't want to mess with this one unless you have the professional recharging kit, which you connect to both sides, and you still need to know where the low pressure side is. So you can see how this one is big. Now, okay, you can see that device doesn't fit here, and this is under extreme pressure, so don't mess with this one. Now, the low pressure, guys, okay, I started looking the other day. It took me forever to find it. Okay, you can see the lines right here, and I couldn't find it, guys, at first. It took me a little bit. It should be on the wider pipe, okay, because that one will be lower pressure. You can see this one is a smaller pipe. It will create bigger pressure. So if I come right here, guys, okay, check this thing out. Okay, right here next to your shock, under the intake manifold, under the intake boot right there, under this cap, which looks pretty big in size, is where your low pressure port is located. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, guys, if you use the can, you can actually fit it on top of this one. Okay, you can see I have it connected now, and you're ready to service your system if you need to. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.